Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Benjamin Ginion, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use a free video editor that comes on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Okay, so technically I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know about this video editor. All right, so let's get started, guys. So now this is the editor we are in. All right, so just to take you back one step, you can see photos, you can see editors. Okay, but how did I get into this? Well, it's very simple. All you need to do is just press your Windows key on your keyboard and tap in photos, and then enter, press the enter key. Then you will come to this place that you find me in right now. So as you can see right here, again, photos and editors. So these are some of the videos that I've been working on, but we are going to start from scratch. We're going to create new video project, right? So as you can see right now on my screen, new video project. And you can also get to see more from the menu here. Three dot here is a menu. You click on it, you see make a video for me. You can see input backup. Well, the backup is the video that you made previously and you back it up, and you can also input that video. So let's say we want to start a new project. So we click on new video project. Now when we click on new video project, we have to give a title or a caption for the new video project or name. So it's going to be, let's say, first project for today. And then we click enter. Now that we have clicked enter, we have given our project a name. This gave us the privilege to work freely, okay? But we also need something to work with. It could be either a video or photos, but for the basic of understanding, we're going to use photos today and not video. Why? Because photos will better help you to understand it easier. I mean, I know video also works, but there are photos that I'm going to make sure that you understand every basic features within this free video editor. Now, the first thing we want to do is to add our photos. Now, before I get to that, I want to explain some basic things that you're seeing on the screen right now. First of all, we have our storyboard below, and we also have our project library and our preview screen. This is our preview screen. Whatever that we're going to do here will be preview here before we can export or finish our final work. So the first thing we want to do now is add our photos from this PC, from my collection from the web. So I'm going from my PC. So whatever you save your photo, you can get it from there, okay? So I go to my branded photo and I'll use these letters. And then open. Now we have our photos that we are about to work with or work on at the library, but we wanted to leave from the library and come to our storyboard. So what do? All we have to do is just read right there. Now you see you can use Control Enter as a shortcut key, Control plus Enter, or you can just click right now, place in the storyboard. You can just place, and automatically we have it in our storyboard, and we can play. There we have it. AKJ BJ. Okay, so that's how it's going to work. But we're going to make it more and more amazing and fascinating that you really like this, practice work that we are embarking on today. So let's not to waste much of that time. Now, what else do we have to do? Well, we want to make people to understand. We want to make people understand what our video is all about. So we have to create an outset that will attract the viewers, and give them a complete understanding of what they're about to watch. So to do that, we have to come to add a title card. So add title card will explain what our video is all about. So we click on add title card, and we can also swap this add title card. As you can see, it is at the end of the video. We don't want that, but we want that also. But for now, we want it to be at the beginning of the video. So what we do, we just click on it and just swap it all the way to where you want it to be. I want it to be at the front, the outset of the video. All right. And if we want to have another one of this, what we can do also is we can get another title card this way. Okay. So again, we can add another title card, and this one we can place it at the end of the video. Now, this title card, there's so many things we can do with it. So in order to work with this title card, what we have to do, the first thing is we have to, right here, we have to check here. And once we check, that means we can do anything we want to do to it recognize of editing, reason. So we want to add a text, right? And want to also change the background color. So the first thing we go to is to our text or our caption. So we click on it, and in our text here we see title. So we can also add title here, and we can use the animated text tab to change our text. So we can use any of these. So the first thing we want to do is we'll say English letters. Okay, English letters, and we can use this one. We can use joy. We can use classic, right? And cinnamon and boom, and etc. And etc. You can use any one of your choice. Cartoon. You can use this cartoon, and we can see how it all works. And then we come below. We have the layout. We play English letters. Enter, and we can also change it this way, and on and on. So you can change the layout of it. All right. So that's how you can add a text, and you also want to change the background color. This is here, you see background color, change background color. We click on it, and we can change the background color to whatever color we want, color of our choice. We can use black, and we see how it works. Okay. So now we're done. So once you're done with this one, you just come below here, and there you see done. You click done. Now, we can also do something that will increase how long we want our text to display. For example, how long we want our text to display is there for 3 seconds. We want it to be there for 5 seconds. So we can increase the durations. All right. So here we come durations, and we want it for 5 seconds. So now our text will be displayed for 5 seconds for our viewer to understand English letters. That's it. Now we come again to the others, and then we see what we can also do with this, right? We have already learned how to add a title card and also how to add a text. So this one, we can also increase the durations, 5 seconds each. Okay. Five seconds. All right. Now we have 5 seconds. Now what do we want to do right now? First of all, we have to uncheck everything. Uncheck everything. All right. Make sure you uncheck everything before you can leave it checked. Now we want to work with this one. So background color, we go black, and text. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Right? Thank you for watching. We can change also, we can use the cartoon, right? It's great. Thank you for watching. All right. All right. Now we want to see how it works. We play. Okay. That's how it works. Thank you for watching. We can add more if we want to. We hope you Come on, like our video. Sorry, I can't tap. Okay, let's play. Thank you for watching. We hope you like our video. Done. Now remember, the moment you increase uh, any of these photos or these cards, you have to also increase the durations of the text. Just say for instance, I increase this one to 7 seconds. Now remember, I also have to increase the text. Okay, I also have to increase the text. So you see the length of the text here, as you can see, if you hover over it, you see text duration, right? You just hover the mouse over it, you see text duration. You also have to increase the length of the text, how long you want the text to be, there for. So you can increase it that way. So this is how you do it, and you can increase it like this in the display. Okay, so that's how you go about increasing the length, the duration of the text. Every time you increase the durations of the photos or the videos and you want the text to be displayed, how long you want it to be displayed, that's up to you. But again, remember, you also have to increase the duration of the text. Let's say we want to add a text to this one, right? First have to uncheck it. Remember, you have to uncheck everything. In the only one that need to be checked is the one you're going to work with. Now we want to add text to this one. So we click text, and after we've clicked on text, we come here and we have our text here, right? So you can add a text and the text you want there. Let's say KAKA stands for K stands for Kaka, right? So you want it to appear this way, or this way, left, right, top, bottom. K stands for Kaka. So we want it to come down. So now let's play KAKA, Kaka, right? And then we go to A, and then we're gonna add text. Same way, A stands for Apple, APPLE. Okay, so we can do it like this. Okay, that's it, guys. Done. Then you click on done, and then you can do it and do it and do it on and on and on. It depends on how well you want to design the beat, but we have more things to do. Now the next thing we want to do is we already know how to increase the duration, text, motion, and 3D effect filter, and then we will customize or get to customize audio, or try to add some background music to our work. Okay. So the next one right now is we go to our motion. We want it to be in motion, right? So we click on motion, and these are the motion. Yeah, none. We get motion in center. We get motion out centered, motion in left. Zoom in and right, zoom out left. Okay, zoom out left, zoom out right, and etc. So anyone you can choose of your choice. You click OK. Now let's see how that works. Now to see it, we display, right? If you pay close attention, you can see it, right? This one doesn't have that effect on it. Now we can do that for all of them. Motion, we can do that for all of them. And next one, again, you want to do, if you don't want this black bars to be here, this is bars, okay? You don't want the black bars to be there. First of all, you just come here, as you can see right now, remove or show black bars, and you click on it and you remove the black bars. So the black bars for this one is not there anymore. Let's play English letter. So you see the durations is longer than the displays of the card is longer than the display of the text. So that's a problem. So you have to go back and make sure, you see, that the text is also longer. Done. and then you can play. So now we see that the card, the title card is also, as the same as, yes, that's exactly what I'm talking about. The time is the duration is intact, and that's it. All right, you can do it on and on and on and on with your videos. Okay. Now the limitations of this is maybe somebody will say, well, I want to add pictures there. You cannot add pictures where, for example, you want to add pictures right there. You cannot do that here. That's the limitations of it. Maybe they're going to upgrade it sometimes. But what you can do is, if you have a logo, all right, if you have a logo just like these photos here, you can put your logo there at the outset, and people are going to know. Let's say, for example, I have a logo and I also want to add my logo there, right? Let's say, assume that this is your logo, and you can place it there, right? Your logo comes right after the outset, and there you go. Let's play and see. So this is all you can do. This is all you can do. You can add a photo to the logo, but you cannot add it on the video. You cannot do that. All right. Now, the next one we want to do is to pay attention is the 3D effect. We can add 3D effect to this, photos here or this video. Now we click on 3D effect. Okay. Now this is the 3D effect. You can use any 3D effect of your choice from here, right? You can use any 3D effect of your choice. For example, we can use this one, and if you want to see how it works, you adjust it. Okay. You can increase the volume, and you can play, and you see you can increase the durations, how long you want it to be there, and play. All right, done. And then we can go to the next one, and the next one, and the next one. We can add effect on all of them, 3D effect. These are all effects that you can use. Okay, let's play. These are all effects that you can use. You can increase the volume of it, and done. So that's how you can go about using the 3D effect. Okay. And the next thing is you talk about the filter right there. You can filter it the way you want it to be. If it's a video, you actually see it, but you can stay see it from there. You can see how we have filtered this one. Iceberg. Okay, iceberg. You can technically or see it. We are filtering it. Classic iceberg. You go to iceberg. You come to this one, and etc. and etc. You can filter your picture, your video any way you want it to be. Okay. So this one we're gonna use this one and say display. And done. Okay. So now we want to remove this black bars again. Like I said, you check which one is checked. K. So we come here, remove black bars. Now we don't have the black bars, and then we come also. Now, before we get to our background music and custom audio, we can also do something else. For example, we have our themes here. We have you can back up your project just in case of time, because this thing doesn't last long forever. So the more you're working, you have to back up. So you can back up your project. All right. You back up your project to use someone else. All right. Choose backup project location. So where you want a project to be? Oh, let's say I wanted to be in this one, photos. And then project is backup. Okay, fine. Now we can continue with our work. Now our project has been backed up. Just in case we lost power, just in case we lost connections, just in case we lost so many things. Think about that. We have it back up. We can continue from where we stopped. Okay. And the next one is we want to do now, as we're laying up all of this. If you want to delete also, this is the delete you want to rotate. You can rotate. As you can see, you can rotate your photos or your videos. Okay. And you want to delete, you can delete. You can also bring it back by using Ctrl Z, and then you come back. Okay, you can undo. Ctrl Z, you can undo, and that's how it works. So the next one, we want to add a title at the end there. We already did that, all right? And now let's see if we can add some music, right? We can add some music to our work. Now we have a background music here. We have a custom music. So we click on background music. Now this music comes with, okay, this music comes with the system, but we don't want it, right? We want our own music, a music of our choice. So what do? We cancel this guy, and then we come to custom audio. Now, in custom audio, you can add as much music as of your choice here, right? So for example, I'm going to add audio music here. I click on this one, add artifact, and I go to where I save my music. I'm going to use any of these for, just for practice, okay? Now let's play and see. There's no limitations of the numbers of order you want to add. We can add as many order as we want to add, okay? Okay, guys, that's it, okay? Okay, great. Now I believe that this is really amazing. And now we've completed, okay? Now we have completed. So we want to get our video out, right? So all you need to do, remember, you can use this background music if you choose. You can customize and use your own track or your own audio track. So now we come here, finish video, right? We click on finish video. Now we click on finish video. We can use the like hard or 850 pixels, so you can also change it to whatever you want it to be. But I think this is a great recommender for high quality video. So we click export. So we export our video where we want our video to be, birthday, and we click export. Now our video is exporting. Okay, guys, thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please give a video a thumbs up and share with others as well. So see you within the next upcoming video. Thank you and have a great day.